Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Missing Me, and today guys I'm participating in an open invite challenge. Now this challenge is entitled the Spring Basket Vignette and is hosted by Creative Laura. So guys, if you're interested in finding out about this challenge, stick around. Okay guys, she only had 5 simple rules, just 5. Number 1, you had to use a basket. Number 2, you had to use greenery or a floral or both. Number 3, you had to use a spring character, be it a bunny, a hen, a chicken, a chick, anything like that that's spring. Number 4, don't spend any money. No money. She wants you to shop your home for things you already have. Number 5, think outside the box. She wants you to be creative with your basket. I'm going to include a link down below to Creative Laura's channel. I know you're going to enjoy Laura's channel. She does a lot of home staging. She does home staging guides for a profession. She also does some DIYs and she does some decorate with me's. So guys, I know you're going to love her channel because I do. So when you go by and visit, tell her Stephanie sent you. And also guys, I'm going to include a link to the participants in this challenge when it becomes available down below as well. So guys, on to the video. Now guys, I want to share with you some of the items that I may be putting in that basket. Now I have this watering bucket, a rain boot, some pixie eggs, pixie rabbits, butterflies. I have this white little bunny from Hobby Lobby, this and the orange bunny, and some magnolias. So guys, let's see how we make this work. Okay guys, there is my finished spring basket vignette. I used only things I had around the house, nothing different, nothing new meaning, and I think it came out pretty cute. So I want to thank Creative Laura for having this open invite. And I want to remind you guys that I will have a link to Laura's channel down below in the description, along with the playlist for the other participants. So guys, if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed down below on the screen and as well in the description box below. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.